Over the last 10 years, the growth of online education has exploded at a rate of 418%. With the democratization of education, people are taking online classes all over the world. But in order for these credentials to have integrity, we must address the big questions that people are just starting to think about. How do we verify who took the course? Who deserves the credit? How do we know who cheated? Today, 86% of students admit to cheating and getting away with it. 86%. It's an epidemic. For online degrees and credentials to be valued, we need to change this. Listen to Thomas Friedman of the New York Times as he discusses the challenges for online classes.
A security issue. Did that person who took the course take the test, et cetera? And I think they will overcome that. And the second is certification. Did you not just take the course, but did you learn something? And can we certify that you learned something? And when they do, I think this goes to scale.
Sounds like a business to me.
Charlie, it is a business. I'm Tim Dutta, the CEO and co-founder of Verificient Technologies, and we are on a mission to put an end to online cheating. Today, online proctoring is done with human proctors that watch people through a webcam and control their desktop. It's intrusive, it's error-prone, and certainly not scalable. And you know what? Neither is this. We do things completely different. We have a patent-pending technology that delivers the world's only proctorless identity verification system for online test taking. Proctorless, that's right. Requiring no human supervision, and that's why our technology is automated and scalable. Let's show you how it works. The student logs onto the testing platform, runs an 8-point system check, performs a 3-part identity verification beginning with a facial scan, an identity scan, and even a knuckle scan. Once this is complete, they're allowed to take the test. Now on the client side, the dashboard identifies and flags and timestamp student instances. We could jump into the video to see when a student has left a testing session. We could also identify when a student is alerted and they acknowledge that incident. The same thing happens when a student uses a browser or another person to help them answer questions to a test. Most importantly, our system detects when another person is taking the test for the student. So this is how it works. Our secret sauce is our patent-pending technology that was first developed for the TSA to detect facial patterns and anomalies. Our CTO, Rajesh Kumar, was behind these algorithms. He's been spending the last 4 years refining it for this application alone. We collect and analyze student impressions real time. Let's talk about how we make money. We are a SaaS company, and we charge our customers in 2 ways. The transactional model, we charge $12 per test. It's perfect for the MOOCs and certification programs. In the relationship model, we charge $200 per student per year. That breaks down to $10 a test, 50% lower than any other option in the marketplace. We could do this because we're the only solution that's automated, scalable, and completely proctorless. Let's talk about the market. Does anybody know how many tests are taken yearly in higher education globally? 900 million. Today, 60 million of those tests are being proctored by our competitors. And we're going after that. The remaining 840 million tests that are unproctored are looking for our solution. We're going after that too. The market size is addressable at $9 billion collectively. Since August, we've established pilots with 7 clients whose students take 2 million tests a year. That's a potential revenue of $21 million in year 1, and that's just from these clients. The demand is here, and our solution is the only one that can address the massive need to proctor 900 million tests a year. All we have to do is just push a button. Just this morning, we had another 5 letters of intent. That's how incredible the demand is for our technology. People love it. They want to use it. Let's talk about our team. I work for the top management consulting firms in senior leadership and technology startups. I worked with our CTO, Rajesh Kumar, for the last 4 years. He's a leading authority in computer distributed systems and scaling technologies. He got his PhD from Georgia Tech. And there's other co-founder that we have, Rahul Sidhart. He's our chief marketing officer. He's worked for the top branding agencies for the last 17 years. Our advisors are leading experts in the field of EdTech, facial recognition, computer visioning, machine learning, and an entrepreneur who's taking 2 startups straight to IPO. We are positioned to make this plan executed and own this space. Today, we're looking to raise $1.5 million, of which we already have 40% committed. I've talked about today. Let's talk about tomorrow. Our technology is so easily configurable. Can you imagine the future applications in employment verification, in healthcare, financial services, continuous verification of certificates for all industry professionals? Let's talk. I'm Tim from Verificient, and we are the needed piece required to put an end to online cheating. Thank you.